Okay guys, welcome to this 2-minute Bossa Nova. I would like to start a new series of short lessons where we try to cover a new subject every time in just about 2 minutes. So today I would like to talk about the way you use the upper part of the chords in Bossa Nova guitar, often on the offbeats, okay, the upbeats. And you do that both to create a syncopation but also an anticipation feel when you move from one chord to another. Okay, so the way you should practice this is starting with one chord, until you feel comfortable with this, with one chord only doing, where the upper part of the chord, which I play on these 3 strings, goes always on the 2nd and 4th 16th, and the bass never moves from the 1, 2, 1, 2, so always on the downbeats. It might seem simple, but it requires a little bit of practice to get the coordination. And then you can apply this to more chords. Okay guys, if you want to download the full tab for this exercise, you will find it on my Patreon. The link is in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.